I'm up in the mountains. We're climbing a mountain today. I'm whispering so we don't wake up the trolls.
Okay, so what we're doing today is that we're climbing this mountain, and we'll be going by a Via Ferrata, that's Italian for iron road. So it's essentially a ladder built into the most vertical part of the mountain. Gonna be good.
Control.
This is the most dangerous part of the climb, crossing the road.
You know you keep a man from getting old. Maybe it's you. Maybe it's you. You, baby. Maybe it's you, you. Maybe it's you, you. Maybe it's.
Okay, we're done with the first steep stretch, and right now we're at the flat stretch. I'm doing quite well. There's not been ample opportunity to film. As you may hear, I'm a bit out of breath, but it's great. It's fun. Alright, we're a bit further along now. As you can see, I've attached myself with the selfie strap. And the minute the person in front of me has gone past the next little bolt of the wire, I can move upwards. Which is now-ish. So as you can see, the iron road is simply rungs as if it were a ladder going up the mountain. And it's quite steep. My pulse just a minute ago was about 110, so I'm not sitting still, but it's not very intensive work. And the view is absolutely amazing. Look at that. What's coming next. The sun just went behind some clouds. We're experiencing some great weather, which I'm very happy about because the forecast was thunder. And as you can see, this wire here is steel, so it probably conducts electricity quite well. This seems like the perfect spot for a few races. Must be careful not to drop anything. Alright. We're at the summit and the basking in the natural beauty of Norway can begin. Ah, look at it. But it's also terribly windy, so it's time to head down. Been there for 1 minute. That's enough. The adventure has come to an end, and we're kicking back with a board game in the common room. Cheers.